The MIRI TL is a time-lapse incubator with individual chambers for a complete, undisturbed culture environment. It provides high-quality time-lapse images of embryos developing in real time without having to remove the embryos from the safety of the incubation chamber for manual microscopy. It comes in two variants, the MIRI TL6 with 6 separated chambers and the MIRI TL12 with 12. It has independent chambers to avoid cross-contamination. Opening one chamber does not affect the environment in any other chambers. It has a built-in gas mixer, hence it uses pure nitrogen and carbon dioxide gas. Pre-mixed gas is not required. pH measuring and data logging are standard integrated features of the system. The MIRI TL data logger continually monitors and documents gas flow, gas concentration, and pressure, temperature regulation. Its easy gas and temperature validation allows external quality evaluation of gas levels and temperature in each chamber. For each chamber, you find independent gas sampling port and a dedicated PT1000 temperature sensor on the side of the equipment. The MIRI TL provides a unique environment from the continuous recirculation of gas through the UV light gas mixer and HEPA VOC filter before entering the chambers. This keeps an outstanding stable environment and extremely low gas consumption, hence running cost is kept extremely low. You also have an option to integrate SafeSense for continuous pH monitoring. The Culture Coin is a specially designed culture dish that can host up to 14 embryos, giving a total capacity of 84 embryos for the TL6 and 168 embryos for the TL12. Want to add MIRI TL in your IVF lab? Contact us.